Live streaming has the capability of increasing the number of views and therefore subscribers on your YouTube channel. And this is because people love communicating with you in real life to learn and get more knowledge and information. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can live stream on YouTube for free. Now before we start, there are a few things that you need to remember. First of all, if you are below the age of 13, you cannot live stream on YouTube according to YouTube's community guidelines, which I will get to further in the video. Secondly, you will need to have a smartphone like this or a computer or a laptop. Anything that can run a streaming software works fine. The only disadvantage by using a smartphone like this is you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers, which means that even if you have 0 subscribers, you will be able to stream for free on YouTube. The third thing is you cannot stream on YouTube without a streaming software, and there are plenty of streaming softwares available for free. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can stream using OBS Studio. Now, OBS Studio is a streaming software that's available for all platforms, that is macOS, Windows and Linux. It's 100% free to download and use, and it's the easiest streaming software for beginners. Another very crucial piece of information that you must not miss is YouTube's community guidelines. Now, if you want to know more about YouTube's community guidelines, I've linked the official website in the video description below. You can read through it, but just to give you a summary, it basically is designed to protect minors from cyber threats. And this means, as I mentioned earlier, that you cannot stream below the age of 13. Now, of course, a lot of people aren't following those rules. So what they've implemented is artificial intelligence and machine learning to understand just by looking at you and listening to your voice whether you're above the age or below the age of 13. And depending on that, will let you continue with your stream. Now, the question is, what happens if it detects that you are under the age of 13? Now, if you are under the age of 13, it will automatically stop your stream. You will receive an email saying that you have violated YouTube's community guidelines. Now, if YouTube is wrong and if you are 100% sure that you have not violated the community guidelines, you can write to YouTube saying that you have not violated the community guidelines. But if you have, then you cannot stream again unless you reach the minimum age requirements for streaming on YouTube. Now, with that being said, let's get into the video. For you is to log into your browser and go to obsproject.com. Now this will direct you to the official website to download the software on your device. The good thing is it's available for Windows, PC, Mac OS 10.13 and higher, and Linux. So depending on the operating system that you're using, select on the installer, download it and launch the software. Now once you've opened the software, under scenes you must make sure that you have at least one scene located inside this column. Now once that's done, click on the plus sign under sources and add an image. Then name it as whatever you want. For this, I'll name it as overlay. Click on OK and then click on browse and search for the image that you want to post on OBS. Click on open and hit OK. Once this is done, you can adjust the image according to the dimensions that you have been given. After that, if you want to add a video capture device or your display capture, you can go and add a display capture by clicking on it. Select OK and crop it to how much ever you want. If you do not want it, you can just hit delete. It will give you a warning and select on yes. Once that is done, you are more or less familiar with the basics of using OBS Studio. Your browser and visit studio.youtube.com. Now this will direct you to the page where you start your live stream, upload videos and do a lot more. Sign in with your email or phone number and type in your password. Once the page is finally loaded, click on create and under that click on go live. This will take you to a page where you type in all the essential details of your stream before you start streaming. Now I advise you to start off by streaming unlisted videos so that you get the hang of how to stream and then go ahead with public. So select on edit and give all your basic information for your stream right here. So I'm going to select on private and leave it as it is. If you're familiar with it and you're confident that your stream is going to be perfect, you can go ahead and select public. Then if you're streaming a gaming video or if you're streaming a travel video, you select the gaming title, which is optional. If you don't want to, you don't have to do it. Create a thumbnail. You can create one with Canva. You can create one with Microsoft PowerPoint. Once that is done, just add in your thumbnail and then go ahead with the next options. Select your playlist that you're going with. I have two playlists called live streams. I'll select on it and hit on done. Once that is done, you have to select whether the live stream is made for kids or no. If it is made for kids, comments will be disabled. If it's not made for kids, you can enable comments where people can post comments regarding your video. Then click on save and save all the essential elements of your stream. Once that's done, on the bottom left corner, click on copy besides stream key. Now, the reason why it's covered is because this is unique to every streamer, and if it is leaked to anybody else, he or she will be able to live stream on your YouTube account without you knowing about it. So select on copy and go back to your streaming software. Once that's done, head back to settings. It will open another window. Under that, go to the stream tab, select YouTube RTMPS. If you're going to Twitter or Facebook or Restream, select either of those options, even if you're going to Twitch. But since you're streaming on YouTube, select YouTube RTMPS, primary YouTube ingest server, and paste your stream key right there. Click on OK and add a display capture again. Select on OK and fit the display to your screen. Once that's done, you can unmute your mic or you can mute it if you'd like, and then start streaming. That was how you stream on YouTube for free. Before leaving, consider subscribing and turning on the notifications below so that you don't miss any new video posted on this channel. With that being said, I'll see you guys next time.